Would you please tell? We end by saying enjoy your burrito. Will you please tell people to enjoy their burrito? And then, if you wanted to make a fart sound after that, you're more than welcome to. I think it would be a nice way to land.
Please enjoy your burrito. yeah. Or I could do should we do a variation? Well, because I love the atomic fart tap.
Sure.
I think it's one of the greatest inventions of the modern age. It's obviously what Alan Turing's work was heading towards. But one of my favourites is the Princess, which is just... and then there's the open door classic.
How about the... are you familiar with the Who Me?
And then there's the What Just Happened. And then Juice Anyone.
Juice Anyone.
That's just not right.
And then...
Spat all over the side of my face. Yeah. Just the... Oh, my goodness. There we go.
Wonderful.
Now leaving Nerdist.com. Enjoy your burrito.